brother needs to show Chris them sit downs.
I'll see what I can do. Little sit down work for Chris.
Feast your eyes on the sit down, Chris. Feast your eyes. You're missing it.
There it is. See, it's not too scary.
Here, do another one. I'll get closer because Chris was in the way.
Okay.
I'm not in the way of nothing.
I'll do a little one. See.
The guy's just sitting here. I don't know if he likes it or not.
Can't tell if he likes it or not.
We ain't bothering you, are we?
No, man, I'm watching.
Oh, okay, hell yeah.
Stop on my account. Is that a Harley? You doing that on
Yeah, man.
That guy said, "Is that a Harley doing that?"
Hey, where on YouTube can I find it?
Dickfartjr.
Say it again.
Dickfartjr.
Dickfartjr.
Yeah, almost got 500,000 subscribers.
Fixing to add you.
Hell yeah.
Dickfartjr.
Dickfartjr. Hey, buddy, you friendly?
Yeah.
Me?
Did you hear him? Is that a Harley you doing that on?
That's my ignition's under this bracket, this like headlight bracket that I put on.
Oh, damn it.
And I still haven't. Let me see a real drift.
Oh, let me try.
What's it called? I need to relocate my ignition so that it's in an easier spot to get to.
There you go. More beans, more beans. Alright, people, let's go. Let's get in front of this car.
Hey, Gabe.
Hell yeah.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna slow down here. And I'm gonna try to do something, Chris.
Push it back. Push it back. Yeah.
Stop. You should have just slowed it all the way down and held it up at the.
I tried.
You should have just held it up at the stop sign.
I tried. That was my best one of those yet.
God damn. Distance?
See what we can do.
Hit the curb!
Oh no! Oh no! Look out!
Oh shit! What the?
My foot slipped.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Dude, that's crazy. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, I'm good.
I thought I saw a lot of sparks.
Sorry about that.
I don't give a shit. You were tearing that shit up, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Woo.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
You're good? You're good? Hey,
Yeah.
I just turned my camera on.
Here, let's move this back.
Yeah, let's get this thing out of the road.
It's actually pretty good, other than the.
Well, I think that's my cue to go home, guys. Before this starts hurting, I think I need to go home.
Are you like? You think it's gonna hurt?
It's
Like, how
already
bad did you
hurting.
fall?
It's already hurting. Look, my shoulder hurts. I don't think it's broke. Oh, did you see that? Yeah, my dumb ass fell over backwards. Yeah. Hurts a little bit, but we fine.
Your
I think I
shits?
gotta take the quick way home. I don't think I can go that way. I think I need to get this thing home and get back on the MT.
Alrighty, well.
I'm gonna go that way, fellas. Later, boys.
All right, buddy.
Sure. Later, man.
Glad you're good.
Yeah, me
I'm
too.
going home. Oh, that's fine. I got it. I mean, I stay right around the corner.
Gotta do another one, boys. You can't let that get the best of you.
Oh, this guy.
You have to.